Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and for our basic weekly plan, that means it's Errand Day. It's also our 5 routines: morning routine, laundry routine, paper routine, after dinner routine, and before bed routine. And then we have our 3 clutter checks: morning, afternoon, and evening, critical to keeping us from building up new clutter. And we have our zone, and we are still in zone 5. Okay, so here's what you're going to do. If you are an at-home fly baby, you're going to get up this morning, you're going to do your routines before the children, then you're going to put your children through their morning routines. If they're very small, you're going to help them. If they're bigger, you're going to guide them. And if they're big, you're going to inspect what you expect, reminding them that there are certain things that maybe they forgot the day before, okay? All right, after that, you're going to get on with your day, which means you're going to start your laundry and go through an inch of paper. And then you're going to go right into your zone, because the next thing is errands, which requires you leaving the home. So I want you to get all your things that require staying at home done first. So do your zone. Zone 5, the living room. If you're still decluttering, then it's 15 minutes in there of throw away, put away, give away. Remember to stay in place. Don't run all over the place. Have 3 containers. Don't move. Make quick decisions, nanosecond decisions, and then put the item that you pick up in the give away, throw away, or put away. Remember that when you're putting it away, it has to have a home in your house. If it doesn't have a home, then either there's something in its home that doesn't belong in your home, or you have too many things and you're going to need to downsize some of your stuff because your home's not big enough for that much stuff. Okay, you have to be realistic. All right, so, or it could be something you need to get rid of and you really aren't using it and it's just kind of laying around. So think about that. Okay. So after you've done those things, you've thrown away, put away, give away, divided the things up, and your 15 minutes sounds, stop where you are, take the giveaway and go put it in the back of your car. Take the garbage and throw it away. If you leave the thing sitting in there, oh, the bag's not full, I'll fill it up tomorrow. No, it will re-assimilate in your home. Get it out of the house. Okay, and then the last thing is go put away the things that you put in your put away box. If there is no room and you feel that you really do need to declutter a closet where it goes or wherever, a shelf or whatever, then put it in a box in a corner in that room with an absolute plan when you go to that room of decluttering the location that those things need to go into. And so put that in your planner for your next zone, whatever that zone is. If it's your bedroom, then go to your next zone 4, which is the 4th week of the month, and put in there, put away the box in my room, or write it on your list of things to do in that room, okay? All right, and then you're going to go run your errands. Remember to plan it out so that you end up with the groceries. And when you come home with your groceries, go ahead and clean them up and put them away if they're vegetables and fruits. Otherwise, put all your things away. Don't leave things sitting out. And then have light supper tonight. After supper, we're going to have an after dinner routine with the family and the before bed routines. Let me pop over to the payroll fly babies. Payroll fly babies, the same goes for you. You're going to do the morning routines, and then you're going to leave the home and focus on your job. But on your lunch hour and your breaks, you can think about the items that you have delegated to your family members. Maybe you have a child who's supposed to clean the glass in your house today or whatever. Give them a call to remind them on your last break. Give them another call on your way home. Guarantee they'll put it off to the very end. If they know you're on your way home, you're going to be home in 10 minutes. You don't want them to spend more than 10 minutes. And then when you get home, inspect what you expect. Okay, when you get home, while you're at work, you're going to take care of some errands. If you have some small errands that you can run on your lunch hour, that's outstanding. Groceries, you'll need to go ahead and order to have them delivered or picked up. And you can either have them delivered to your home, or you can go pick them up maybe on your way home, or maybe on Saturday, or maybe that's something you could delegate. That would be great. Okay. Now, when you get home, I'm hoping you didn't do your groceries today. I'm hoping that you have them delivered or you pick them up on Saturday, because you're going to have to deal with those groceries and dinner and kids and homework. It's just too much. So I'd rather you do that on Saturday. Or delegate it and have somebody else already pick them up and already put them away if that's something you feel you want to delegate. I personally would probably just do it on Saturday. Have it ready for me to pick up on Saturday at Walmart or whatever. All right, so quickly, you're going to come home, you're going to inspect what you expect, You're going to do your clutter check. Everybody, we're doing 3 clutter checks a day, so morning, afternoon, and evening. So you're going to do a clutter check for just mindless clutter, and then you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, and then start supper. While supper is simmering, you're going to work in zone 4, 10 minutes or less for a deep clean item. If you're not to that point yet and you're still decluttering, 15 minutes to declutter and complete the process. Throw it away, put it away, or give it away, okay? And then we'll have dinner, and then the after dinner routine is where we all help clean up after dinner. It's quick, it's easy, it's a fun time with the family, and it's so much less of a burden on a single person. Okay, and then we're going to do your before bed routines with the children, and then your before bed routine for yourself. If you can't remember what the before bed routine is, just go back a couple of weeks. I've been really majoring on it all of June and July and part of August, so you can go find that if you need to. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Don't forget to check your planner tonight. Don't forget that last clutter check, everyone, in the end of the day. And always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.